How to fix headphones not detecting on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So for the very first fix to this problem would be troubleshooting. For that, you can just click on the search bar, type in troubleshooter settings and open it. Once open, you need to select on other troubleshooters. From here, search for sound and audio troubleshoot and click on the run button. It will then detect for any problem that exists and will probably solve the issue. However, if the problem is not yet fixed, what can be done is click on Bluetooth and devices from the left side of the screen. Hereby, make sure that your Bluetooth is not connected to any other devices at the moment. After you make sure to this, let's move on to the third solution. So for that, tap on the search bar and search for Control Panel and open it. Once you open the Control Panel, make sure that the view by is selected as small icons. After this, tap on the System and it will open a new interface. Next by, select on Advanced System Settings. Once you tap on it, you will be landed to another interface or tab. Then after, you have to go on the Hardware tab, and once you tap on it, go to Device Installation Settings. From here, you have to click on Yes, Recommended and then click on Save Changes. After this, you can restart your device or reconnect the headphones once and the issue should probably be fixed. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.